Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Sorry, ang lakas pa na hangover ko sa sobrang saya na nangyari kagabi sa Davao. Nung May 6 pa, we painted the Gupan yellow. Kagabi naman, nagsama-sama po upang magbigay suporta mga Davaoeños sa Rock the Vote concert. At ngayon naman, mga Batanggenyos, magpapahuli pa ba kayo?
Hello guys, it's me again, Ding Dong Dantes. Joke lang. It's me, Simon. I'm here now with Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, and I'd just like to ask him a few questions.
Yeah, kahit marami ba?
Naman. Alright, so why did you join Rock the Vote 2013?
Alam mo, Simon, kasi I consider myself as part of the EDSA babies. Kasi yung 80s na yun, 86, 6 years old na ako noon. So, parang I've always want to relive that spirit. Hanggang ngayon, I still carry that. That's why when the Yellow Ribbon Movement came up with this idea, actually sa mga loob ko noong 2010, hindi ako nakasama. I learned about it. Kaya this time, 2013, and nandito siya, I am so happy to be part of it. Aside from the fact that I love music, I mean, I love listening to it, not particularly singing with good bands, pero I love listening to music. So, enjoying ko ito sigurado.
Alright, so maybe if you have a short message to our viewers regarding voting, about the youth, and whatever.
Yeah, so ang Rock the Vote, bihirang pagkakataon yan, but now 2013, it's here, and tonight we're in Davao. It's a gentle reminder para sa lahat ng tao, kabataan, hindi man kabataan, sa lahat, to relive the people power spirit, because ito yung idea that brought us all together, and through music, marami tayong matututunan, marami tayong makikilala mga bagong tao. So it is such a great experience. Magkita-kita tayo lahat sa ganyan.
I got a mild fascination. I got a mild fascination. Where do you find all that time? I got a mild fascination.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. It's me again, Elvin, at ang kaibigan ko pong si Simon.
Hello!
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Batangas. Alam nyo ba, kilala ito bilang coffee capital of the Philippines.
Natawag po nilang Coffee Barako.
Oo, Kapeng Barako. Nandito rin po ang Taal Volcano.
Alam nyo ba, ang Taal Volcano is a volcano within a volcano.
Tama po.
Dito rin po matatagpuan ang pinakamalaking simbahan sa Asia, ang Taal Church. At ngayon, ready na po kayo? Dito sa Lipa City, gaganapin ang Rock the Vote 2013
Sa Plaza Independencia po.
So,
Batanggenyos,
let's rock the vote!